God fight for you. He knows what to do. Gusto ko tingnan mo rin itong katabi mo, sabi ko sa kanya, hayaan mo si Lord. Huwag ka nag-iisip ng pagkanti. Huwag ka nag-iisip ng mga pagtipos para kaya focus. Kala mo, ang linis mo. His ways are higher than our ways. His thoughts are greater than our thoughts. What I like about God is this. He can intercede and orchestrate events in our lives beyond our imagination. Who could have thought? Na yung mga tao nag-reject kay Jephthah ay babalik sila kay Jephthah. At hindi lang basta sila bumalik at dinaya si Jephthah bumalik, kundi siya pa ang ginawa nila tagapanguna. Let me tell you, brothers and sisters, the Word of God says that when a man's ways please the Lord, He will make his enemies come and make peace with him. God can turn that which is seemingly evil and make it something good for you and for me. Last but not least, last observation, a hard-hitting response. In verse 9 up to verse 11. Now, I do not know what I would do if I were in Jephthah's situation. Tao lang, diba? Yung pagkila natin parang tao lang. Huwag mo siguro si Jephthah. Okay na ako. Meron na akong tropa. Yung mga dating payment, pati na sila ko. Huwag mo siguro si Jephthah, pag pumunta ulit sa mga, Jephthah! O kaya, duhu! Ikaw na ang mamuna sa amin. What about that?